No one really talks about this in AI, but have you noticed in every how to break into AI video, it's always the person saying to learn math, learn Python, get familiar with some libraries, and then start building the same beginner projects that every other person has guided other people to do? Because everyone's talking about getting into AI, break into AI, learn AI fast, but what does it actually mean to get into AI? Because the way I see it, and no one seems to be mentioning it, is that there are actually two paths you can take when going into AI. The first path is the builder path, or known as the more technical path. A builder is a person who works in building AI models. He codes, trains data, works in machine learning or engineering roles. On the other hand, we have another route, which is the leverager, or the guy that's known as the practical. These are people who are not necessarily more technical or may not understand what happens behind the scenes in AI, but basically these are the people that know how to leverage AI to get stuff done. They learn AI tools such as N8N, Zapier, and a few other out there, and they learn how to leverage that for businesses and draw solutions. They do this by building automations, solving business problems, or even creating products using existing AI tools. But the most important thing to understand about these two paths is the difference in mindset. For example, builders care about how AI work, whilst the leverage cares about what AI can do. Builders need a strong background, they need to be good at math, programming, and theory, whilst leveragers need creativity, problem solving, and tool mastery. Not to mention, being a builder generally leads towards the job side, and if you work with leveraging AI, you can work as a freelancer or create your own business. Not to say that you can't do either or in either situation, it's just that's usually the path that it takes. And trust me when I tell you, I had a really tough time figuring out which path I wanted to take in AI. Because I realized businesses don't really care about the back end, they just want their problem to be solved. And that's where a leverager will come in. So if you're confused about the path you want to take, you don't have to do everything. Just take a step at a time and understand which role or path works better for you. If you enjoy building theory and doing the hard stuff in behind the scenes, and not necessarily creating stuff with AI, then a builder might be the better option for you. And if you wanted to leverage already existing tools or pre-existed tools and create solutions with them and work with businesses, then the leverager might be the better option. Let me know in the comment section which path you guys prefer and if it turned out well for you, or if you're deciding to switch paths, or maybe you're doing something like me and going in the middle and adjusting as you move on.